Moving ahead, a petition has been filed in the top court challenging Bombay High Court's interim order that refused to stay the implementation of the 2024 Maratha reservation law. The High Court had allowed the Maratha community to avail 10% reservation in education and public employment on a provisional basis, pending the final outcome of the case. The new petition argues that the High Court's decision effectively lets the law operate in the meantime, which defeats the very purpose of the legal challenge. The matter was mentioned before a bench of Justices K.V. Vishwanathan and N.K. Singh, which agreed to list the case during the reopening week of the Supreme Court starting 14th July. The counsel pressing for urgent listing pointed out that both the Supreme Court and even the Bombay High Court had stayed the Maratha quota in earlier rounds of litigation. Therefore, refusing to stay it now, despite a constitutional challenge being pending, was quite concerning. The interim order being challenged was passed by a 3-judge bench of the Bombay High Court on 11th June. The court permitted 10% Maratha reservation to operate under the SEBC category, but made it subject to the final verdict in the ongoing case. To expedite the process, the High Court also proposed to hold special Saturday hearings in line with a direction from the Supreme Court to dispose of the matter swiftly. Let me tell you, the law in question is the Maharashtra State Reservation for Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Act 2024, which was passed by the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly on 20th February last year. It is based on the report of the Maharashtra State Backward Class Commission headed by retired Justice Sunil B. Sukhre. The report cited exceptional circumstances and extraordinary situations as grounds to provide the Maratha community with 10% reservation, despite the fact that Maharashtra already crosses the 50% reservation ceiling set by the Supreme Court in 1992 Indira Sohne judgment, also known as the Mandal Commission case. Notably, in 2021, a 5-judge constitution bench of the Supreme Court had struck down the earlier 2018 Maratha quota law, which provided 16% reservation to the community. The court held that there were no exceptional circumstances to justify breaching the 50% ceiling, and that the available data failed to prove the social and educational backwardness of the Maratha community as required under constitutional standards. With the latest law facing similar constitutional scrutiny and the High Court having declined to halt its implementation, the top court will now once again be called upon to examine whether the Maratha quota can stand the test of constitutional limits. Stay tuned.